Hello my YouTube tribe. I have come to Portmarnock Beach to say goodbye to the Irish Sea because in a few days time I will be leaving for Bulgaria. The plan is to go just for a couple of months, but it depends on circumstances, so I might have to prolong it. The thing is, I can't say for sure when I will be back. So I have come here to say goodbye to the Irish Sea, to Ireland, and to the year 2021, because the new year is just around the corner. Let's enjoy this. For the sea, please take away 3 pieces of plastic every time you visit the beach. Let's do that. I spotted something here. It's not exactly plastic, but oh, it is plastic. It's of something, chocolate or a drink. Found this plastic in the water. So guys, please, please, please take it very serious, because very soon the nature is going to retaliate against what we are doing and the way we are abusing the beautiful nature. So I think collecting plastic from the beach every time we go for a walk is the least we can do, and imagine the impact if we all decide to support this idea. Regardless of what's going on around the world and regardless of the pandemic, the past 2 years, 2020 and 2021, have been years of growth and transformation for me. I decided to focus on the positive and to learn new things. I wanted to learn something new and find something that makes me feel happy. And I started studying digital marketing. I registered this YouTube channel, and if somebody told me that I would be doing vlogs for YouTube just 1 year ago, I would not believe. I feel really awkward in front of camera, so this was a big challenge for me, and as you can see in most of my videos, I don't really like being in front of camera. I learned a lot during this time I started YouTube, because I knew nothing about cameras, about editing and about settings of the camera. I had to watch a lot of YouTube tutorials, but having in mind that I had a full-time job, I was studying, I was doing these YouTube videos, and sometimes I didn't have much time to relax, even watch a movie. But this is a good thing. This is a good thing because I didn't listen to the news. I didn't focus on what's going on. Of course, this is something you can't completely ignore, but if you choose to focus on the positive outcomes and on finding a new career or even something that makes you feel happy, then for sure you will grow and you will attract abundance into your life. And most importantly, you have to have faith. You have to have faith in God and be sure that He will do what's best for you. So the new year is just around the corner, and we as a collective, we have some very serious problems. Like one of them is the climate change. And what I would like to say is that what I see is really sad, because people are divided. People are divided and they stand against each other. just because they have different beliefs and they have made different choices. We live in turbulent times, but along with the challenges, there are numerous and exciting opportunities to change life for the better. And in order to do that, we need to solve the global issues and we need to stay united. For my YouTube family, I would love for everyone to drop the fear, to have faith in God, and believe that everything is gonna work out and we are going to have the most fantastic new 2022 year. Happy New Year, and see you in my next adventures, which I'm gonna be filming in Bulgaria. Love you guys.